The progress of industry over the past decades and centuries is made up of an endless list of innovations and technological triumphs, from steam power to semiconductors. Progress is made by individuals daring to think differently, but also by organizations being able to turn ideas into real solutions that help people in their day-to-day lives. In this day and age, we are increasingly dependent on advanced electronic systems. Imagine your car's software system has crashed and you cannot start your car without pressing an emergency button. When this button is pressed, it sends a signal to a control system. Kitron makes sure this system does what it is supposed to do every time. At Kitron, we support some of the world's most innovative industrial companies such as ABB, Volvo, Bombardier, and Husqvarna. With first-class electronics manufacturing, we work closely with our customers, from concept, design, and engineering work, with materials selection and sourcing, to testing, production, logistics, and after-sales support. The industry market sector is Kitron's biggest. Over the last few years, growth has been driven by our state-of-the-art facility in Lithuania. The success of this plant has led us to open a new factory in Poland to increase our capacity to assist our valued long-term industry customers. We know how important industrial innovation has been to the world's development, and we know how passionate our customers feel about continuous innovations and improvements. So do we at Kitron. That's why our slogan is, "Your ambition, our passion."